Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today I'm explaining the use of our Amp Shield kits, both 12 and 20 calorie, on the Jackson climbing safety helmet. As we know, climbing safety helmets have gained in popularity, and many manufacturers are now supplying these helmets to the market. I personally like these style of helmets because of the improvements to the chin strap designs, closer fit, and the improved impact protection from the helmets. So we've built a product line of face shields that fit these different types of helmets. You have to always think of the helmet first. What type of helmet do I have? I have a Jackson. So what we do is tell us that you have a Jackson, or look it up on our chart, Jackson helmet, and you'll see the different accessories that are available. So what I'm displaying here is our AMP1 12 HTJ. So that is an amp shield on a weight compensating bracket that's designed to fit the Jackson helmet. We utilize the slots on the helmet, the accessory slots for mounting the face shield. The face shield has a up position that's detented and stays locked, adjustable pivots, weight compensating bracket so that the shield, when it's in the stowed position, is approximately even with the front of the helmet. I can put my finger up into the center and balancing the helmet on the tip of my finger. Whereas if you had a normal face shield attachment that was in the stowed position, the shield would be out to here. But this new weight compensating bracket assembly solves that problem, keeps the helmets to be more compact. This is available also as a 20 calorie model, which is an AMP1 20 HTJ. Deployed position, and in the deployed position you have a transparent chin protector, the gray color, which is a nanoparticle material for the arc flash face shield, and it includes a very easy to use lever lock system for removing the face shield from the bracket should you want to replace the face shield. This also has another accessory, which is the flashlight attachments. So when you see these little attachments right here, the ALM and flashlight snap on, and you have an immediate flashlight attachment that allows the flashlight to be adjusted up and down and in and out. So going back over the features and benefits just quickly, amp shield for arc flash protection, 12 and 20 calorie. Fits into the adapter slots that are in the helmet already. Weight compensating so that your face shield does not extend too far out in front of the brim of the helmet to keep it compact. Flashlight attachments, lever lock for being able to easily replace the shield. The one final item I'd like to mention is that the press to release feature, you press in and can easily remove these from the helmet. And just as easily, you just press it back into place and she's snapped into place. Very easily done, and allows you to change out the type of bracket that you want to use on your particular helmet. Continuing with accessories for this Jackson helmet, we have our weight compensating bracket with an industrial face shield here. This is an IM22 L6F WCS. So this is a clear polycarbonate injection molded to shape industrial face shield. Can be used in high temperature or just for general purpose. Has all the features and benefits as I'd previously shown as far as for how the bracket works, but now we're just using a common industrial face shield. As additional products that will also fit onto this bracket, this is an IM23 N6F WCS. N6F indicates that it's a clear nylon face shield, and it has a extra large chin protector. This is used in the paper and pulp industry, and it's used for protection against the high temperature smelt. This shield will also go to a higher temperature actually, than what this polycarbonate shield does, and it's very chemical resistant. Other examples include the IM22 GHC6F WCS. This has a 24 karat gold coating on the front. It's a clear face shield to the interior, and it's excellent heat reflection capacity. So you would use this type of product where you're at high radiant heat, molten steel, molten glass, ovens, that type of application. Going down this list, we have the IM22 L6F5 WCS. This is a shade 5 welding shield made from polycarbonate. These, all of our shaded windows are now nanoparticle design. So they're able to give protection consistently over a long period of time, even if exposed to outdoor weathering conditions. And finally, I'm going to show here an IM22 L6F C5 WCS. This is a cobalt blue face shield. It's shade 5, and the cobalt blue color is tuned so that it blocks the sodium line of the slag and silica that's on the surface of molten steel. So as you look at the molten steel, you can identify the slag that's on the top to rake it off before you make your pour. So I realize that this is an unusual shield, but it's designed specifically for that type of a market and that type of application. As an additional accessory for the Jackson climbing safety helmet, we have the QV22 L6F5 WCSJ. It's a long model number, but it helps us describe exactly what we're working with here. It's a unit that fits specifically just for the Jackson helmet. It includes this quick view assembly that has an independent pivoting point to allow you to raise and lower a shaded window in front of your clear window. So it's the weight compensating bracket as previously described. So as the shield goes up, goes into this weight compensating stowed position, easily deployed, and then you have this separate quick view attachment that allows you to face the furnace, turn away, keep your shield down for protection, but raise the shaded section so that you can see better inside of a poorly lit steel mill, as an example. So this is a quick view attachment onto our weight compensating bracket made just for the Jackson helmet. And I'm just showing you another model, which is the cobalt blue. Cobalt blue, again, allowing you to observe the slag on the top of the melt that's in the ladle of molten steel. So you can flip this down, rake across the top to get the slag off, and then raise it back up as you're turning away from that really bright and hot condition. So these are our quick views mounted onto the Jackson helmet. For the weight compensating brackets, we sell these separately when it is that you're using the industrial face shields. That's because there's so many different models of face shields. So to buy the bracket alone for your Jackson helmet, it's a WCB-CSJ. This would be what you receive. It has the press to release attachments. It has the lever lock attachment up on the inside. The face shield mounts to the interior. And then this way you can buy any different combination of face shields to simply attach it to the bracket. So this is WCB-CSJ, designed specifically for the Jackson helmet.